with the bats in any of his years here before this year. The 1-1 swung on, hit high in the air, short into center. Out is the shortstop, Chang. He makes the catch in very shallow center field. For out to Karen Harbin, CEO of Commonwealth Credit Union. Now, you mentioned federally chartered now and maybe being able to move beyond the borders of the Commonwealth, but also inside Kentucky.
Right. So we are so excited to go into Eastern Kentucky.
Yeah. On Chang, here's the 0-1 pitch from Petty. It's on the outside corner for a strike, and it's nothing.
And we are already involved in the community, hiring people from the community,
Sure.
So jobs, nice credit union, a good creded union that they can depend on and trust.
Pitch in the dirt, knocked down by Yang, and it's 2-2 for 7 years in a row. First pitch, or the 2-2 pitch to Chang, hit in the air into short left center, done in. He makes the catch. The center fielder is Brigman peeled off. 2 outs in the inning. Back to first goes Ross to the top of the order, and Ronnie Simon, who grounded to first, his 14th of the year with the bats. On to third goes Rogers. 2 outs in the inning. To the top of the order, and Reddy's first one to her Baez. Chops it towards short. Chang started in, now backs up, fields it head high, throws to second rather, just in time to force Marte. 6-4. That ends the inning. But the bats. 5th inning, 4-2. The bats lead the Indians. Sung-Chae Chang leads off for Indianapolis. He flied to center back in the second. First pitch from Chase Petty back out there for round number 5. And the pitch from Petty on to Chang. It misses high and away. 2 balls and no strike.
Made it across the plate, high fast, so it was good to go.
2-0, grounded up the middle. Slide stop behind the bag at second. Jordan gets up, throws the first. Nice play by Levi Jordan. Boy, he's done a nice job of 2020, in fact. The 0-1, there goes the runner. Line drive, caught by the shortstop. Chang, a sinking liner. He gets up, he throws to first, and Marte doubled off of first. 2 outs in the inning. Baez hit it hard, a sinking liner, but Chang able to get low.
Got Billy Cook in the 3rd, and now San Martin gets Ross looking to start the 7th. Batter, the number 9 hitter, Sung-Chae Chang. He's 0 for 2. Batting left-handed, he swings, slaps one past the diving third baseman Marte and out into left field. That's a first pitch single by Chang with 1 out here in the 7th. Hit number 5 for
Ball 1 to Sung-Chae Chang, lefty against lefty. The pitch swung on, popped up behind the plate. Yang can't find it, mask off. As junior an inning, a hit, 2 runs earned, a walk, 2 Ks, and a home run allowed. Kravitz on for the 14th time. No wins or losses, a 7.45 ERA. The 1-1, swing and a miss. 1-2 on Chang. The 1-2. Called strike 3 on the outside edge. Chang knew it, immediately headed back toward the